Welcome to this video, and on this tutorial I will teach you the two software or tools that we can use in order to convert one file to another. There are cases, for example, that you have an MP4 or a video file and then you just need the audio file of it. Like, pwede mong i-convert from an MP4 to MP3 if you only need the audio of that specific audio file, or I mean of that video file. You don't need the images, ganyan. So what you can do is you go to conversio.co, and also zamzar.com. So ito yung dalawang tools that we're going to talk about today. So punta muna tayo dito kay Conversio. Ayan, may bayad to. Pero for the time being, so ako din, I don't have an account here. What I do lang here is I can choose the file here. Notice that this tool can also convert audio converter, video image converter, ebook document, yung mga PDF file, ganyan, or font converter. So just go ahead and play around this tool. So hindi lang audio and video yung pwede mong gamitin dito. There are other things. Now, what you can do is on the middle of it, you can click on choose file. Let's say, for example, let's use this MP4. And then, this is a YouTube account na, YouTube video na dinownload natin using Y2Mate. And then, click on this one. Where do you want to change this? Like, what file do you want to change this MP4 YouTube video into what? Let's say, for example, you want it as an audio. You can use MP3. Okay, so click mo yan. If you want this, di ba MP4 yung file name nito? But if you want the video to be the same video, but you want it to be MOV or other file name, excuse me, you can do so. So, transferring lang ng mga file at audio. Okay, I mean, ng mga parang anong klaseng file siya, something like that, okay? Anong family, ganon. So, let's say for example, I don't want it to be converted to another video. Kasi minsan halimbawa, the reason why there is like that, like why video to video, halimbawa, may mga software na ang applicable lang sa kanya ay nababasa niya lang yung MOV. For example, may mga just for an example ha, may mga video player na ang common lang niya is MP4, pero ang file mo ay MOV. So, in order for you to watch that particular video, kasi halimbawa si customer, ang binigay niya sa yung file yun nga MOV. Pero para mapanood mo yung video, yung player mo requires an MP4. So what you're going to do is convert the file from MOV to MP4 so you can watch the video. Nakukuha? Yan. So same goes with an MP3. Kung video file siya, tapos hindi mo naman kailangan yung the rest of the video and you want lang yung audio, you can use a file converter and convert it to MP3. So let's convert it to MP3. Yan. And then convert. Oops! It says file is too large. Okay. Kasi naka-free plan. Pero, you get the idea. Kung gagamitin mo to palagi, hanap ako ng file. Kasi 10-minute yung video na yun. Medyo malaki talaga. I don't have any other video here that I can use as an example. Pero you click on that if ever, okay? Later on, I'll try to re-record this one. But the idea of showing you how this works. Yan. So, we hit a wall here. I'm sorry about that. So, you have to pay. Let's see. Kung annual mo siyang babayaran, it's $6 per month billed yearly. Okay. So, this is the light, basic, and unlimited. Okay. So, yun yung kanyang mga plans. Kung lagi mong gagamitin ang conversion, kung magko-convert ka palagi, you can definitely pay this one. This one is prepaid. So, halimbawa, 100 pages lang siya or, okay. So, halimbawa, mga ibang text file ka or something like that. So, this one is applicable. Okay. So, yun. We hit a wall here. I'm not gonna pay here at the moment kasi hindi ko kailangan yung tool. Let me know if you have any questions about this one, but definitely this is easy. All you have to do is click on choose file and click on the file that you want it to be converted. Now, yun nga, like I said, kung palagi mong ginagamit, make sure to buy the premium. Pero ako kasi I don't really convert a lot of files naman. So, another tool that I will be using is zamzar.com. So, same thing. You can click, tingnan natin kung i-allow niya tayo. Kasi medyo masungit si Conversio. Tapos, so you add file, nakita mo 'di ba, nag-green na siya hanggang dito. Ibig sabihin, i-convert na natin siya sa, so these are the other options. Ito yung mga video format, ito yung mga audio format. Pwede rin siyang sa GIF, video presets. Okay, let's go to MP3. Convert now. Oh, looks like it's converting. Ayan, dito oh, napansin nyo, 5%. So, dito na tayo sa Zamzam. Ayan. Hindi kasi ako masyadong, lalo na dati kasi meron ako mga ganyang tool na nakakalimutan ko na meron ako mga extra charges. So, sayang din naman yun monthly. Kung hindi mo naman siya masyadong ginagamit, hanap ka ng ibang software. Pero, the reason why I want to show you this one, it's a raw video that I am doing for you. I want you to see all the possibilities and all the options. Lalo na kung heavy user ka ng converting file. So, gamitin mo rin yung conversion. Ayan. So, ayan, 31%. Medyo matagal kasi yung yung video na nakita ko for sample. I'll try to find a shorter one in the next coming exercises. Kung kailangan pa natin ng video file. Ayan. So, 40% na siya. How are you? Aantayin ba nating mag 100%? Sige, tingnan natin. Pero ganun lang din yun. Ang mangyayari dito, so once it's downloaded, mapupunta siya sa file mo. Mapupunta siya sa iyong email. Di ba sabi niya kanina, email when done. Ay, hindi ko pala na-click yung shot. Sige, tingnan natin. Kung saan siya mapupunta. Like I said, digital marketing naman kasi my world is mostly e-commerce, coaching, ganyan. I don't usually use file converters kasi I didn't have to. Ang mga madalas ko lang na kino-convert, mga PDF file. So, shika ko na lang sa inyo. Pahinga muna kayo dyan. Tingnan natin, 75% naman na. Yeah, I don't usually convert MP3 to MP4. Ganyan. I do it as it is lang. What I do most of the time sa mga software na diniscuss ko sa inyo in terms of transcription, Grammarly, tapos Y2Mate, downloading YouTube videos to my personal computer, ganyan. Tapos, basically yun lang. For the transcription, yung mga machine transcripts, I personally like Otter and O-Transcribe. Ayan, so 98% na tayo, 99, konti na lang, 100. There you go! And now it is converting. So, madali lang, di ba? Yan. I hope my students na non-techie before ay hindi kayo ngayon takot ng humawak ng mga mga software kasi like me, like your coach, hindi naman talaga ako techie pero ginagawa natin 'to. Madali naman siyang matutunan and huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi naman kayo kakainin ng mga file. Ayan, so you can download here. Download mo na siya. The files are stored for 24 hours. If you want it longer, syempre you need to pay. So download lang ulit. And there you go. Okay? So that's how you download. So alam natin na yung Zamzar pala ay pwede kahit na free tool. Okay? So I hope that you learned something on this video and I'll see you on the next one.